Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This session is about the SAINIK school entrance exam. So you know the exam is in January and the most important thing to do right now is to practice previous year questions. So in this series we will be doing all the previous year questions of all the subjects. So stay tuned. In today's class we will discuss the GK section of 2023 paper. Okay, so let's start. This is the first question. This award is also known as the Lotus Decoration and is India's second highest Decoration and second highest civilian award. So for this question, you first need to know what are the civilian awards, right? The answer to this question is Padma Vibhushan. In India, there are civilian awards. We will discuss one by one what are these, who give these awards. So these are given by the president of our country. By whom? By the president. These awards are ranked as the first, that means the highest civilian award is known as Bharat Ratna. The highest civilian award. This is also an important question. The highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna. Second highest, as you see, Padma Vibhushan. Vibhushan is the second highest, and the third is Padma Bhushan. If in this question there were an option called Padma Bhushan, you can confuse it, right? But you need to learn that the second highest is Padma Vibhushan, third one is Padma Bhushan, and the fourth one is Padma Shri, right? The important thing to remember from this question is that the highest civilian award is Bharat Ratna. The second highest is Padma Vibhushan. Let's now see some facts about the Bharat Ratna award. As the question has already asked the Padma Vibhushan, there are chances it may ask about the Bharat Ratna now. Bharat Ratna award given by the president is actually at one time given to three-person. Like in 1 year, president gives the award and it is given to three-person. So the first recipients, the people who were the first one जिनको ये award मिला था were C.V. Raman. You must have heard the name, right? Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Who was he? Tell me in the comment section. Who was Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan? And the third one was C. Rajagopalachari. C. Rajagopalachari. There is another question. We'll see who was he. Another important fact is the first female to be conferred with Bharat Ratna was Srimati Indira Gandhi. Another important thing you should remember is first foreigner who was given this award was Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He is also known as Frontier Gandhi. Why so? Do you know? If you know, then do let me know in the comment section. Let's move to the second question now. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? The Prime Minister of India is appointed by the President of India, right? Even Chief Election Commissioner and Chief Justice of India, they are also appointed by the President of India, okay? So tell me who is the Chief Justice of India right now? Do you know? Is D.Y. Chandrachud. Who is the Chief of Defence Staff? CDS. He is Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan. I hope you are clear. Let's move to the next question. This place, located in Gwalior, was built by the Maharaja of Gwalior, Jayaji Rao Sindhia. It has Italian and Tuscan style of architecture and is not a museum. So let's see the options. One by one we'll see. Hawa Mahal I guess you all should know Hawa Mahal is in Jaipur. So this is not the answer. Umaid Bhavan Palace, Lake Palace. Lake Palace is also in Udaipur, and Umaid Bhavan Palace is also in Jaipur. So the right answer is Jai Vilas Palace. Okay, it is in Gwalior. And where is Gwalior? It's in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, let's move to the next question. In Ramayana, where did Lord Sri Ram marry Sita? Okay, in our Hindu culture, the marriage usually happens in the place of the girls, in girls' place, right? So if you know, where was Sita born? Sita was born in Janakpur. The father of Sita is known as Janak. So you can also the father of Sita. Who was he? He was Janak. Janak, Janakpur, and that was the place. And if you know, Sita is also known as Janki. Why? Because she was born in Janakpur and was the daughter of Janak, King Janak. Okay, next question is food is stored in the roots. If you know there are potato, sweet potato, onion, ginger, these all are the modifications. Like in the plant, there are roots, stems, etc. No, potato, sweet potato, onion, ginger, these all are modifications of either root or stem. In the question it is asked, food is stored in the roots of. So which of the following is the modification of roots in which food is stored, right? So the answer is sweet potato. Sweet potato is a modification of root. That means that sweet potato in itself is a root and the food is stored in the sweet potato's root. Okay. Potato, onion, ginger, these all are the modification of stem. Okay. Let's move. Which is the fastest healing body part? Fastest healing. Can you guess? Liver, large intestine, skin, tongue. Tongue is the right answer. Tongue is the fastest healing body part. Why? Because in tongue we have saliva and saliva helps in the healing. Okay. Next question is Ayodhya is located on the banks of which river? Okay, the topic river and major cities located on the banks of rivers is very important. Every year you will see one question. In this paper there are two questions. We will see the next one very shortly. Ayodhya is located on the banks of Saryu River. Okay, let's see some other cities. Patna. Have you heard of the name Patna? It is located on the bank of Ganga River. Agra and Delhi. Both of these cities are located on the bank of Yamuna River. There is another major city which is located on the banks of Hooghly River. What is it? Let's see. This is the next question. Sanjana found that as the seed germinates and seedling turn into a young plant, the size of the seed leaves gradually becomes smaller. You see, there's a seed. This seed. When you plant a seedling in the soil, this seedling turns into a plant, no? So where does the food from this seedling goes? The food in the seed leaves has been used by the growing plants. The plant कहाँ से आया है प्लांट फ्रॉम द सीडलिंग नो सो द सीडलिंग का जो भी फूड था वो यूज हो गया टू बिकम इट टू अ प्लांट ओके सो दिस इज द राइट आंसर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एनिमल which can survive without water for a long time in desert नाम सुनते ही what comes in your mind a camel is also known as the sheep of desert Next question. The only species where the males bear the young ones. Usually the female bear the young one. Bear the young one means young ones कहाँ से आते हैं, किसी भी जनरेशन के न्यू जनरेशन कहाँ से आती है, उसका मतलब होता है bear the young one. तो यूजुअली फीमेल्स के पास से न्यू बॉर्न का बॉर्न होता है, बट स्पेसिफिकली इन सी हॉर्स द मेल सी हॉर्स has the young ones. Okay, the male seahorse give birth to the young ones. Next question. Singless chum dance is related to which state? So this is actually a folk dance, and folk dance and classical dance. This is also a very important question. Singless chum. I'll show you the picture how singless chum looks. You see, this is how it is done. The people dresses into these costumes and they perform the dance. It is done in the state of Sikkim. Okay, Singlish chum, Sikkim. Next question. The instrument used to measure the speed of a vehicle. Okay, you must have seen a bike or a car, any vehicle. You must have seen there are two things. One gives you the speed, the other gives you the distance traveled by that particular vehicle, right? The speed, as the name suggests, speedometer. Speedometers measures the speed of a vehicle. And the one which measures the distance, what is it called? It is called the odometer. Okay, odometer measures distance. Next question. A sport where people use a board with a small wheels. Paramotoring, skydiving, skating, skateboarding. You might get confused between skating and skateboarding. बट याद करो कभी आपने स्केटिंग करी हो तो स्केटिंग में यू हैव स्केटिंग शूज राइट द शूज हैव द व्हील्स बट द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग अ बोर्ड with small wheels. It is skateboarding. See, this is the skateboard. Okay, the answer is skateboarding. Next question. Here comes that question I was talking about. Kolkata is located on the banks of Hooghly River. This is a very important question. Who is the first sports person to win the Padma Vibhushan award? Padma Vibhushan, कुछ याद आया? We just did the second highest civilian award. It was given to Vishwanathan Anand. Which sport is he related to? He is related to chess. You must have seen him, Vishwanathan Anand. Next question. Mountains arranged in a line. These are mountains. Mountains arranged in a line. What does it make? A mountain range. Very easy, no? Water is known as the universal solvent because. So we first need to understand what is a solvent in any solution. Solution means, for example, you take a glass of water and add salt to it. Okay, water which is in high quantity in this particular solution is the solvent, and you add sprinkle some amount of salt. It is the solute. Okay, water is known as universal solvent. Why? Because it is the medium in which, sorry, it can dissolve many substances. You see, in water we can dissolve most of the substances, be it sugar, salt, anything else. So this is called universal solvent because it dissolves in itself so much substances. Okay. Next question. Which animal was represented on the mascot of Delhi Asian Games 1982? So this is a very difficult question. Like, In every set you'll get some questions which are very difficult. This is one of them. The answer to this is elephant. Elephant was the mascot when Delhi Asian Games were held. You see this. Now this is also a very important topic every time a question is asked. The deficiency of which of the following vitamins causes rickets? Rickets is caused by vitamin D. So now I'm sharing a table. This table is given in your NCRTs and this is a very important table. All the vitamins and the diseases they cause, the deficiency of vitamins causes like vitamin A, loss of vision, also called night blindness. Whenever you see night blindness is caused by deficiency of which vitamin? It's vitamin A, okay? Vitamin D, we just heard rickets. Vitamin B1, beriberi. Vitamin C, also very important. Scurvy. Rickets, we just did. Iodine. Iodine, goiter. Iron anemia, also important. Okay. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? First Governor General. The first, any kind of first Governor General, first Prime Minister, President, these all questions are also very important. Okay. The first Governor General, the answer is not C. Rajagopalachari. The answer is Lord Mountbatten. Why? Because C. Rajagopalachari was first Indian Governor General. Okay. After independence also, Lord Mountbatten was the first Governor General. After Lord Mountbatten, the first Indian Governor General was C. Rajagopalachari. Okay. I hope the confusion is cleared. Next question. The Indian nuclear physicist who was the founding director and professor of physics at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research was Homi J. Bhabha. Homi J. Bhabha, a very renowned scientist. When was Bangladesh formed? So I hope you know that at the time of independence, when we got independence and India got divided, Pakistan and now Bangladesh, the country which we know now as Bangladesh, was first the part of Pakistan. It was called East Pakistan. Okay, but in 1971, East Pakistan turns into Bangladesh. Bangladesh becomes a new country. It is no more associated with Pakistan. Okay, so Bangladesh was formed in 1971. Before Bangladesh, it was East Pakistan, a part of Pakistan itself. Next question. Cow dung can be used as manure as it is rich in. Cow dung is rich in. You see the options: sugar, mercury, calcium. Do you think cow dung is rich in mercury or sugar? The answer is nitrogen. The UN was founded. UN is United Nations. This again I would say is one of the difficult questions because sometimes it we don't remember dates, no? The answer to this question is 1945. The United Nations was founded in 1945. Where's the headquarters? In New York, USA. The United Nations is actually a organization and it has 6 different bodies. We will discuss it in some other class. Last question. The disease related to brain, meningitis is the answer. Don't you confuse it with the migraine. Migraine also, you must have heard like very high headache. But meningitis, actually in our brain, there are different layers, right? These layers are called meninges. When there's certain problem in these layers, no, then it becomes a meningitis. Meningitis is actually the inflammation in our brain. Migraine is a condition which develops due to certain situations like very high stress. You get headache. It is migraine, but the disease which is related to brain is meningitis. So we have solved the GK part of 2023 SAINIK School Entrance Exam for class 6. In this series, we will be doing all the subjects. So stay tuned and do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Allied Entrance Prep. See you soon. Thank you.